In today's video, we want to give you 9 steps to engage buyers of a home from your website. So if you're a licensed real estate professional, this video is going to be for you. Mortgage professionals can also take some information from this as well. If you stay into the end, I'm gonna give you something for absolutely free. So buckle up, grab some popcorn, let's have some fun. And by the end of this video, we want you to have some massive value. So my name is Kinsey III, CEO and co-founder of Liftoff Agent, your number one marketing and positioning agency. Been in this industry for 10 years of real estate, and it's been a blessing. And I love serving, I love giving back, and I love educating. So let's get into this. So 9 steps to engage buyers. Number 1, be in more control of the data. Now, you can do property alerts on Paragon, your local MLS, and through your tech and desk via your broker, but you don't control that data. Compared to, like with our websites, we utilize, say, Real Scout, iHome Finder, and then we can have you in the driver's seat when it comes to, say, having all of your, say, buyers and sellers and, say, clients within our systems compared to your own systems with your broker. And I'd highly recommend Follow Up Boss. But imagine having that automatically being set up, and then it can tie into your website so you can drive them there to give them more information. Like number 2. Personalized buyer guides to build trust. A great way to add value because of the NAR settlement. Now, if you had a buyer's guide on your website and you added value on the buy side and you added value on what to think about as far as getting pre-approved, how to navigate and understand interest rates, all things to take in consideration. Number 3, having a playlist of video on YouTube that can feed into your buyer page website. Number 3 works really good with the buyer's guide, because if I'm filming a video on YouTube, which I'm doing right now, and I encourage you to stay into the end because I want to give you something to thank you for watching this video. So when you're filming these videos, it's like, what is the 10 steps of working with you as a buyer? What does the person need to think about going through that process? So that way you can line that out for them and they specifically can understand what it looks like when working with you as a buyer from step A through Z. Number 4, have a form on your website asking key questions. That's a part of your SOP, which is your standard operating procedure. Now, if you're working with buyers and you say drive them to your website to download a guide or to watch a playlist, a buyer playlist, and then you have a form number 4 for them to fill out, it could be like, are you 3, 6, 12 months out? What's your budget? Is it 350 to 500,000, 500,000 to 700,000, 700,000 to $1 million, right? We have these forms on our websites. And then, are you pre-approved? Do you need to be working with a lender, right? All these things work together so you can add more value to your future buyer and educate them through the process. Number 5, testimonials, videos, and written for the buyer's page. So you could have testimonials written feed into your buyer's page. Could be from like Google My Business, could be from Facebook, could also be from Zillow. It doesn't matter where they're coming from. We can feed those in automatically when you're working with us personally. Number 6, capture leads with warmly.com IP address. So this is a good one. I've talked about this in other videos. Warmly.com gives you the ability to get first name, last name, email address. You can even find out if they're a homeowner, and they don't have to do anything. There's a clause at the bottom of the website where they can actually say how much information you allow for them to have, and that's a great way to maximize viewers that go to your website and they don't have to download a guide or do anything. Number 7, have a set up meeting now button with Calendly.com so you can automatically fill up your calendar. I love using Calendly.com, linking it with Google, my Google Calendar, so individuals can automatically say book a strategy call with me. There could be a link down below. You can check it out, and then you'll see that you can select a date and a time to meet over Zoom automatically. Number 8, have an integrated map so they can explore the area that you serve. So having an integrated map gives them the ability to be able to explore the different areas that you have. And we're gonna actually do another video on this. There'll be a link down below, and that video is gonna go over some examples of different map ideas, different concepts. We even have, say, Jeb Smith, and he has a real estate practice in Huntington Beach. He also has a YouTube channel, and he has pages on his community map page that index with search engine optimization, SEO, on the first, if not the second page, so he's organically being found on Google because of his interactive map. And number 9, to have all this tie into your CRM system. Imagine having, say, Follow-Up Boss, and then when someone goes in here and we track them, whether it's warmly.com's IP address, or we have them fill out, say, basically to download a guide, or they fill out a form to take next steps, and we ask them key questions. This can all tie in to your customer relationship management tool, and you can help the process move along. And then within your CRM, you can do email drips, you could do text sequence drips, and it can all just happen seamlessly and automatically to help you be able to save yourself time and stress and follow-up. As a special thank you, we have this landing page. There's gonna be a link down below, and it's gonna be how to unleash your future potential website. So unleash the full potential of your website, make it work for you. This is gonna be a presentation that is about 18 minutes long. And so I'll give you one slide of the presentation. This presentation is pretty long. It's 19 slides. You got one slide out of 19 on how to maximize your website. And so you can go ahead and watch that presentation. Down here, there's gonna be a guide. This is gonna be your 10 steps guide, 10 critical tools that you need for your website to maximize it. So that's gonna be a guide there for you. And there's lots of other value that's gonna help you from the perspective of booking a strategy call. Absolutely free, 15% off there. Testimonials, the difference between having an amazing website and not amazing website, a glimpse of the opportunities you're missing out on, the guides, all the tools, the features, the resources. There's a ton of information and a ton of resources here. So I want you to take advantage of that. I want you to be able to have more success when it comes to that process. And then the next steps, the next video is gonna talk about 10 steps to boost engagement and SEO on your website. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you'll be notified for new videos coming out, as we wanna help by entertaining, educating, and then being able to drive this conversation so you can be in the driver's seat, can have more success with this process. Thank you so much for watching to the end. God bless. Go to that landing page, links down below, get your free guide, set up that strategy session, and maximize your buyer engagement on your website.